Hello everyone, good evening, and today we will discuss about BJP government when established and when boost in the India. Okay, and do you know about in Jammu Kashmir? In Jammu Kashmir was first of all as a prime minister, separate prime minister, and if you want to go in 1950 time, okay, required permission from Delhi, India to Jammu, because there was different flag, different prime minister, the India and Jammu Kashmir. You can say in another way, different country, Jammu and India. Okay, and I will explain all details why required to remove 370. Okay, and let's start. I will describe about all detail. Okay, when India and Pakistan partition in 1947, around many lakh people had died, and many thousands and lakh people was homeless on that time and shifted from Muslim people in Pakistan and Hindu peoples came from Pakistan to India. Okay, and on that time in 1947, first prime minister was a Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru from Congress party. Okay, on this Congress party, a famous leader was available in the same party of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Name was Syama Prasad Mukherjee, big leader. Okay, on this time Jawaharlal Nehru want to one Ayog for Alpsankhyak people in India and Pakistan also. And Syama Lal Mukherjee continuously doing virod for this Ayog. Okay, but not accept each Syama Prasad Mukherjee and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, but Syama Prasad Mukherjee given resign in 1915. On that time was a Udyog minister. Okay, in 1950. In 1951, make a separate party, Jan Sangh Party. Okay, Jan Sangh Party mainly उद्देश्य टू मेन जनसंघ मेन पर्पज नेहरू टर्निंग टू जनसंघ पार्टी नेहरू लोकमत समझौता एंड ऑन दैट टाइम महात्मा गांधी वाज डाइड आफ्टर महात्मा गांधी डेथ RS deactivate okay by the Congress party. Okay, and in 1952 Syama Prasad Mukherjee 94 candidate to send in field for candidate for voting. Okay, only 3 candidate won, otherwise all election was lost. Okay, and another side I will describe main purpose of Jan Sangh. First of all, to protect go hatya, and another to remove 370. Okay, because in 1950 after India Pakistan partition, in 1950 on this time 1947 to 1950, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, on that time separate prime minister of Jammu Kashmir. If you have enter for any work in Jammu Kashmir, to required separate permission from Delhi to Jammu. Okay, on that time Syama Prasad Mukherjee reached 8 May 1953 from Delhi to Jammu Kashmir without permission. In 11th May had caught by the government of on that time Sheikh Abdullah. Okay, Abdullah is his government. Okay, and after 14 days, Syama Prasad Mukherjee died in the prison. Okay, and Jan Sangh Party to turning point came in Janata Party in 1975. 1975 declared emergency by Indira Gandhi. Okay, for 2 years, and another opposite party, opposite party leader to send in the jail. Okay, and all locality, all city and New Delhi big city. Okay, light is off and newspaper cut completely by the Indira Gandhi. Okay, and immediately signature by the president for emergency and declare in the morning. Okay, and another side 1977 after 2 year completed. Okay, when remove emergency, again election done in the 1977 and Congress party falls and Janata Party won. On that time Lal Krishna Advani and Atal Bihari Vajpayee was in political party, strong political party from Janata Party. And another side Congress party not want to same candidate, one candidate to both party like Janata Party or Jan Sangh Party. On that time decide one party, only BJP party. This party established in 1980 by the Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Lal Krishna Advani. Both came to the Firoz Shah Kotla Maidan and established Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay, and this party strongly boost itself and many leaders and put over election symbol Kamal flower, Kamal ka fool. Okay, you can say. And after 1984 Indira Gandhi was died, his guard. Okay, and again on that time BJP party lost and Congress party won. In 1996 again Atal Bihari Vajpayee become a prime minister, but in 13 days his government again falls. Okay, and lost, you can see. And again 1999 again become a Atal Bihari prime minister with majority for 1999 to 2004. After 2004 to 2014, not a BJP party, only Congress party. Okay. In 2014 came big face Narendra Modi in front of the all India, and already Narendra Modi was a chief minister of Gujarat many years, and when Narendra Modi face came in the India as a prime minister, on that time 282 seat came in 2014 become a prime minister, and in same 2019 came 303 seats for become a prime minister. Okay, and again this time voting already started in India. Result will come in next month. Then you will know about new prime minister.